build here is a dynamic NFT. Now, when we say dynamic, we're trying to change the state of it without actually changing the state of it, guys. So think about it in a, for example, in this example we're gonna be going over today, we're gonna have a rocket going from one position to the next position based on price action. So what we mean by that is by the current price of Link or ETH or any type of cryptocurrency that you choose. Um, the rocket will start at set position X, which would be considered the bottom, which is the current price of the cryptocurrency. And we want it to go to position Y, which would be at a higher price point, where dynamically the NFT would be going from one position to the next based on the price action.
I'll start with the IPFS uploader. So we want data to be displayed on our NFT generator that's able to do dynamic NFT interaction. And we want a background. I think the universe is a universal background. All we have to do is click the upload button, don't forget. And then we receive our code and the image will show up in a few seconds right above. We click on this little folder and as soon as it gets marked green, we know it has been copied. Now we have like the IPFS path and we copied it, and now we're gonna just paste it into the form field that says IPFS path. So next image we need is, I want a moon. I want to have my moon in the picture. Here we go, that's my moon. And now we want something to move, and that's going to be the UFO. There, yeah, then that's when it's mooning. And now we are going to the bottom one. We can also switch in here. That makes no difference. We also take the link one again, and now we want to make it a little bit cheaper. Not 20, that's too cheap. 32 is perfect. So now we're going to scale it down a bit and make it be as far away from the moon as possible, and maybe even a little bit more transparent than the one before. And make it rotate so it's like tilted and doesn't know where it's going. So that's the next position. And right now we can't see these different states. We can only see like the alpha state. But the important part is that the states are saved within this object down here. And now all we got to do is give this pi token a name. Just call it pi1. Alright, now we're gonna copy paste this whole array inside. And let's interact with the MetaMask by clicking the save button. Ba-dow. There we go. Once we confirm this, we can just chill back and wait for RinkB to show us our new transaction. That's it for the editor part. Next step is going to be like the media player, the third-party media player that displays the animation like directly by time. This one has to get a new update. When you click on the different layers on the different keyframes, it should animate from keyframe A to keyframe B. So you have like top position is position A and bottom position is position B, and the animation just says go from A to B and just play everything in between and in some sort of time frame.